All the times the world was ours for dreaming. When I think of all the times the earth seemed like our home, every heart alive with its own longing, every future we could ever hope to hold, and all the times our laughter rang in summer, and all the times the rivers sang our tune. Was there already sadness in the sunlight, some stormy story waiting to be told?